Well, greetings again. Now we have a project. And now this project, because I got COVID COVID positive, the project is positive. And it's as positive as it's never got before, which is, we typically do homework review, and well, that's what I promised. We'll be doing homework review. I'll be answering questions. People will be working in teams. Well, I can't be with you. So what I decided to do, I decided to just upload all the work and all the answers to homework. So this is the homework. This is the blank homework that you can download. And you don't have to, because Doug can give you paper version. And you see now it has all of those things that you are supposed to do with the data. Some of them you can answer. By the way, remember discrete, categorical variables and everything. It will repeat what we did in practices. But I just wanted you to see that I already did all the Excel work. Excel work is not on tests unless you use calculator. And today's Excel calculator, as we have it, you could avoid using that, which I strongly recommend using it. And so again, as we go here, you can download data with work. And then you can analyze this data, because everything is already there. You can copy paste graphics from that data. You see, like, for example, that's kind of one of the most difficult questions back there, was to get wind speeds. I'm enabling editing here versus season. You can just copy it, and it's like at the very bottom it says do all of this, and so side-by-side graph. That's the very last question. She just put it in, and then you don't have to. You could just look at this and type, well, how do you interpret? And in the summer, there are a few more windy days, and that matters because we analyze wind speed data for construction of wind turbine. So basically, all of those formulas, and again, I want you to be prepared to use real tools, but I can't, enforce it because this is theoretical course. But everything you pick up on the terms of extra credit will serve you for the rest of your life. So I do recommend checking how I entered all those formulas. They're all in there because we got data with work. Here we are. And so you can check those other formulas, how we're counting things, and you can play with it a little bit. And you can, look at this and put handwriting in your practices or in your homework. So one thing I want to mention is doing things today, working in teams, earns you 10 extra credit points to a total 50 already extra points of homework. So you'll get 60 out of 50. Whatever you do today, if you write it, don't throw it away, bring it to the exam. If you type in it, save files, and put it in homework submission Dropbox on Talent, it's right under homework. And also, I want to mention, and we have a few people who love being in this digital environment. And here, this is the way, again, to think about it. There is similar homework questions on my lab. It's electronic homework. If you're one of these people who kind of like this stuff, well, check this out. You could be doing this homework as well. All your work will be combined. Oh, assignment no longer available. Okay, that's something I need to check. Why is that? Sometimes it's a glitch, but I'll make sure it's available. Now, maybe someone just wants to play with it and see how it works. Not a bad idea. Well, for that, if you haven't activated and you don't have to, your Day One Digital account, then just to keep in mind, if you activate e-text activation, if at any point you have a question to pay something, then say click something on, because it's all included in the course. And I know there is no need for that, but those who are curious, you're welcome to do this modality. Well, thank you so much for watching, and send me emails or come to my Zoom office hours. My office hours are all Zoom now. Well, there isn't much time left, but I feel we are well prepared for the exam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Thursday.